What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, as you can see, I'm back in the car and it's time to get some of this Uber money. So I am bringing you guys along yet again. Thank you so much for all the love and support on my most recent videos. I have them dropping like they hot, so please make sure to hit your notification bell so you don't miss a beat. So right now I am at the gas station and I just filled up my tank. And ready to get moving, okay? But before I get started with Ubering, I'm gonna go grab some food for the fam, and I may run my car through the car wash real quick and go ahead and get started. It is currently 12:36 p.m. and I want to be able to Uber and get back before it gets dark, so I'll probably set a goal for myself a little later in the video, so keep watching. Let's go. So I am back and I am finally getting on the road to drive and get started because it is 2:41 and I dropped off the food to the family. We sat down and ate, and now it's time to get this car washed real quick and get to the bag because whew, it's taking me a minute to get started today, but that's all right. We're gonna set a goal to make at least $100 by 7 o'clock. How about that? $100 by 7 o'clock, and I think that should be pretty easy to make. So we'll see. Stay with me and I will definitely give you guys some updates along the way. So thank you for watching so far. Let's get it. Alright y'all, so I am done washing the car and that was a bit of a workout, okay? Vacuuming, letting the car go through the wash, and then coming out, drying it, hand dry, and wiping down the mirrors, getting the tires. Like, it's a whole process. So that took about 50 minutes or so. Right now it is 3:31 p.m. and I am rolling to my zone. If I can get 3 people in a row, I believe there is $18 if I do that. And yeah, once I complete that, and I'll come back and let you guys know how I'm doing. But again, the goal is $100 by 7 p.m. and it's currently 3:31 p.m. so stay with me. Okay y'all, it's time for a quick update. It is currently 5:21 and I am out here by the airport and I am waiting to catch somebody getting off their flight so I can give them a ride. We are surging at the airport right now, which means it's going to cost a little bit more to get a ride, so I'm definitely excited about that. But you guys, I'm at $50 and some change. Yeah. Anywho, so yes, guys, I am halfway to my goal of $100 by 7 o'clock. We may go a little longer than 7, maybe 7:30, depends on what time it gets dark in my city. But again, so it's a little after 5 right now. I'm doing pretty good, and I'm excited to keep going. I'm a little tired, so I actually just got me an energy drink. Comment down below if you like these vitamin waters with a little bit of energy. It's got a little bit of caffeine in there, so just enough to get me going and give me some energy with my vitamins and some caffeine. So yeah, guys, so let's keep on rolling. Okay, y'all, it is update time, and I'm happy to announce that I reached my goal early. Yay! So I'm at $101. And it is only 6:27, you guys. So I am happy that I hit my goal early, because I was supposed to hit $100 by 7 o'clock. And I have accomplished the goal. And so I'm going to keep going. I'm actually on my way to somebody else. I'm at a stop sign right now. So I want to give you guys a super quick update. And thank you guys for watching so far. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, you guys, if you are happy as I am for hitting my goal. And I'll let you guys know where I end up. So stay tuned. Team Tiarrea B, I did it. I reached my goal and I made $139. So I actually made more than my goal. And I'm so excited that I got it done before dark. It's almost dark, but I got it done before dark. I finished at about 7:43. So definitely excited. Very successful day. So I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today. And I appreciate all of your love and support. I want you guys to continue to thumbs up these videos, these Uber videos especially, because it's new content for me. And I want to make sure that the videos get circulated. So yeah, guys, anyway, I want to thank you again. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I am Tiarrea B, and I am